Okay, tips 56 to 60 out of a series of 100, where each video covers 5 ideas on how to be decluttered, productive, organized in every aspect of life. Tip number 56, create folders at home, at work, or on your desktop computer where you could categorize important documents all in one place. In other words, don't have documents that pertain to the same topic here and there, because that does happen sometimes, right? Instead of doing that, you'll create far less clutters if you just create folders and put them all there. So for example, if it has to do with restaurants, reservations, have a folder that's specific for that, and anything that has to do with that topic, put them there. Anything to do with the home, including mortgage, including the insurance, including inspections, anything like that that has to do, even repairs, put them in one folder. On your desktop, if you have a whole mess of things, if your desktop on your computer is cluttered with documents, if your desk is cluttered with documents, this is the best way to sort, put them all together, and that way it's easy to find documents when you need them. Tip 57, teach your kids organizing skills because it's a huge skill that they will need in the future. On efficiencyandorganization.com, I actually have written a couple of articles on the benefits of teaching kids how to be organized and how you can actually do it. But whatever you do, if you're organized and you're making sure that things are in categories and your areas at home, at work are neat and they're not cluttered, then your kids are gonna learn, they're gonna pick up on those things. When they grow up and they're on their own, they're gonna basically implement some of the things that you've taught them subconsciously. They're gonna be doing the same thing in their new homes. So for example, in the kitchen, they'll have one place for forks, they'll have one place for cups, they'll have one place for coffee mugs. And so make sure that you're doing the same, putting things in neat piles and labeling and throwing things away that you have not used in 2 years or more. So that way they can learn from you and do the same themselves. 58, schedule time on your calendar to spend time with your family if you are a super busy person. We have so much going on. A lot of us are multi-passionate. We have side projects going on. And so it's very important to schedule time for the family because that is a priority, right? Spending time with kids, spending time with loved ones is priority. So go and schedule time on your calendar to do this at least once a week. So for us, one of our family activities is Sunday night, right about 4 o'clock. We all stop doing what we're doing and then we go and spend about 2-3 hours together. And we usually watch a show, we eat popcorn, we barbecue. So it works out really well. So whatever you do, schedule time in your busy calendar for family times. And before I give you tips 59 and 60, this is my time to ask you to please subscribe. So for putting content out there, we don't get money, but if we have enough subscribers on our website, on YouTube, then that's how we get monetized, especially based on the number of views or the minutes viewed on YouTube. So help out content creators by subscribing, and you can also help more by sharing videos. Okay, so let's talk about tip 59. Think about reducing the number of items that you have on your walls. So for example, if you have space in your living room, like a wall that's like just covered with a bunch of stuff, think about whether or not if you were to get rid of like 50% of what you had, like half of them, if that will help give you more clarity. Okay, it's called minimalism. It's not like you're getting rid of everything, but you're giving yourself more space, more openness. So behind me, yeah, I have a bunch of stuff, but you know what? On my side, I have a window. There's really not much here. I have the door on the other side, and my wall in front of me is basically nothing but like 3 motivational decorations. That's it. So it helps me because the more stuff I have, I feel like the more it affects me with just, it creates clutter in my mind. So I would suggest you not throw them away, the things that you have on your walls, if you have sentimental attachments to them, but store them nicely in like a container in the garage or the patio somewhere. And then maybe the following year, put those up and put the ones you have on the walls away. So that way it gets recycled if you just cannot part with them and donate them. All right, and tip number 60 has to do with your drawers. So recently I got done with my spring cleaning. And my spring cleaning is intense. I basically start with one end of the house and I go room by room and I practically empty it out. I empty everything out. I clean the walls, I clean the ceiling, I clean the lights. So it's pretty intense. One of the things I did this year that I have not done before is the drawers. I organized the drawers by putting little compartments that I found on Amazon. And I cannot believe all this time I didn't use those. They were so cheap. Like the whole pack was like $20-$30. And now like our hair bands are in one place. Our hair brushes are in one place. So nice and neat and organized. And I highly recommend that. All right, I will catch you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day.